Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you are viewing the How To Lady. We are in a festive mood and we are going to show you simple centerpieces that you can do for the holiday season. So if you're interested, stay tuned and we're going to get this ball rolling and we're going to knock it out of the park. As indicated in the introduction, we are making festive Christmas centerpieces, holiday centerpieces, and different festive designs. So today we are going to do a centerpiece. It is very simple and easy to do. All the things you should have in your home, and that would be cost-free. So you know how you kind of are last minute in trying to decorate. I know that I am. And there may be a time where you've already decorated, but you need just one more thing to really make a spread, a layout look just right. Well, we've got a centerpiece that's very easy, quick, and to the point, and we're going to show you how to do it today. So all you'll need is a basket of your choice. It can be a round one, it can be a square one, it can be an oval, any shape you choose. You just need a wicker basket. Gonna need some pine needles. Pine needles you'll need, you can get these anywhere outside. Snip them off of any tree. You will definitely need some ornaments. The color is up to you. I'm just using silver today. But we'll use ornaments, and you will need a bow, your choice. It could be a plastic bow, it could be a felt, it could be suede, whatever you want, cloth, it doesn't matter. You'll need the bow of your choice. And we're getting ready to put this together. All right, let's get it started. Isn't this a gorgeous display? This would look great at any table. It would look beautiful in any room. You can put it in your bathroom, your sitting area, your living room, your dining room. This piece would fit in, and I think it is perfect for the holidays, and the way the lights reflect off of the silver ornaments really screams festive holiday. Yes, you should try it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Happy holidays.